So hi everyone, welcome to the week 1 graded assignment solution video. So the first question is which of the following are rational numbers? Okay, so we have to choose which are rational number out of these four options. So the first option is 3 root 2 plus 1 minus root 2 multiplied by 2 minus root 2. So we will expand it, so it will give 2 minus root 2 minus 2 times root 2 plus 2. Okay, so it will give 3 root 2 plus 2 plus 2, that will give 4 minus 3 root 2. So 3 root 2 and 3 root 2 minus 3 root 2 will balance each other, so it will give 4. So 4 is a rational number, so this option is correct. So the second option is root 12 plus root 3 multiplied by root 12 minus root 3. So it is basically a plus b and a minus b, so it will give a square minus b square. So simply it will be 12 minus 3, that is 9. So 9 is a rational number, so that's why this option is also correct. So the third option is root 12 minus root 3, root 12 minus root 3. So it is like a minus b and a minus b, so it will give a square plus b square minus 2ab. So it will give 12 plus 3 minus 2 times root 12 times 3, that will give root 36, and root 36 gives 6. Okay, so it will be equal to 12 plus 3 minus 12. Okay, root 6 will give root 36 will give 6 times 2, that will give 12. So 12 and 12 minus 12 and 12 will balance each other, so finally it will give 3. So 3 is a rational number, so that's why option third is also correct. The last option is 3 root 2 and 1 minus root 2 1 plus root 2. Okay, so it will give 3 root 2 plus, it is also a minus b a plus b, so it will simply give 3 root 2 plus 1 minus 2. So 3 root 2 and minus 1, so this is irrational number, so that's why this option is incorrect. Now moving to the second one. So we have three sets here, s1 s2 s3. S1 is such that it belongs to all real number from 0 to 10. Okay, so let us draw a number line here. So S1 represents all real number in between 0 to 10. Okay, so it is not including 0 and 10. Okay, so there is a hole here. S2 is such that x belongs to z, so x is integer and it is from minus 10 to plus 10. Okay, so it is from minus 10 to plus 10. Okay, so it includes both. Okay, here it is minus 10 and plus 10, so minus 9 minus 8, similarly 9 8. Okay, so it will take a discrete value only, so this is s2. And s3 is all rational number, that is from 10 to 15. Okay, so it will extend further, so including 10 and 15, including 10 and 15. Okay, so this is s3. Okay, so now we are done with these three sets, so let us move to the option. So we have to choose correct option. Okay, so the first option is s2 intersection s3. Okay, so let me erase this one. So s2 intersection s3. Okay, so it is s2 and s3. Okay, so s2 intersection s3 is only 10, so it gives only 10. s2 intersection s3 union s3 intersection s1. Okay, so s3 intersection s1. Okay, so s3 is from 0 to 10, but it is not including 0, and s3 starts from 10. Okay, so that means s3 intersection s1 will be equal to 5. So union of 10 and 5, so union of 10 and 5 will give 10. Okay, so that's why the option first is correct. The second option is S2 minus S1. Okay, so S2 minus S1. So S2 minus S1 will be from minus 10, minus 9, minus 8, okay, up to 0. Okay, since S1 is not including 0, so we have to take intersection S3 minus S1. Okay, so S3 minus S1 will be equal to S3 because no elements in S1 is in S3. Okay, so it will be S3 only. So we have to take intersection here. So it is from minus 10 to 0. Okay, so it is from here to here, and the second set is from here to here. So we have to choose intersection in between them. So it will be equal to 5. So that's why the second option is also correct. So the third statement is cardinality of S1 intersection S2 is 10. Okay, so we have to choose intersection between S1 and S2. So from S1 and S2, so it will start from 1. Okay, since from S1 is from 0 to 10 and S2 is from minus 10 to 10, but it takes only discrete value. Okay, so it will not include 0 in this form. So it will start from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and up to 9. So there are only 9 terms here. So that's why this option is incorrect. The last option is the cardinality of set S1 intersection S2. Okay, so S1 intersection S2 is this. So we have to choose union S2 intersection S3. Okay, so S2 intersection S3. So this was our S2 and this is S3. So only 10 is common between them. So S2 intersection S3 will give 10 only, and we have to take union. So it will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So there are 10 elements in this set. Okay, in this final set. So that's why this option is also correct.